Hello everybody, we're back for the third time to talk about my flying peacocks. Now we've never made 3 films about one mosaic before, but I've got a lot to say about this one. Firstly, it's peacocks. Now I've made more peacocks than any other thing, and when I was asked why, I felt I needed to write an essay about it. In doing so, I discovered that I'd made more than 300, and that was a few years ago. But funnily, none of them have ever taken to the sky. So this is the first one to show an exuberance of flying peacocks. And to celebrate, I've written this verse, which goes like this. An exuberance of flying peacocks. I've made hundreds of peacocks, and I'm wondering why none of them ever took to the sky. They still can do it. It's not too late, even though most of them are now overweight. And at this point, I have to point out that none of my films are ever autobiographical.